What goes up and never comes down? Answer is your age. Two men play 7 games of checkers. Each wins an equal number of games and yet there are no ties. How is it possible? They did not play with each other. What number should replace the question mark? Answer is 6. Here the first sequence is 357, where 3 plus 7 divided by 2 is 5. Again second sequence 951, where 9 plus 1 divided by 2 is 5. Like this 8 plus 4 divided by 2 is 6. Find the odd one out. Earth, Neptune, Venus, Mars, Moon. Answer is Moon. Moon is not a planet. A runner ran 24 rounds in a circular track of a length of 400 meters. How much distance did he run? (9,600 meters). I have 2 backbones and thousands of ribs and I stretch across the land. What am I? Answer is train track. What's the longest word in the English language? Answer is miles. There is a mile between the beginning and the end. Find the odd one out. Answer is A. The triangle is the odd one because it has only 3 line segments. The other figures have 4 line segments. What number should replace the question mark? 1, 1, 8, 4, 15, 7, 22, 10, then the question mark. Answer is 29. There are 2 interwoven sequences. The first progresses plus 7 and the other progresses plus 3. What comes once in a year, twice in a month, 4 times in a week and 6 times in a day? Answer is F. On year means 12 months. February has only month which have the alphabet F. So there is on F. 1 month have 4 weeks. First and fourth has 2F. 1 week have 7 days. First, fourth, fifth has 4F. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 4, 5, 14, 15, 24 have 6F. So the answer is F. Find the odd one out. August, November, December, January, March. This is the homework. Try to answer the question or watch our next video.